she tried to blame me for switching her wig. Like switching out her wig with one of my wigs. Hi YouTube, it's Olivia Nita and I'm back with another video, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you're watching this video, make sure you like and comment on this video. Today, if you read the title, I'm going to be doing a story time about how I can't even believe this ever happened to me. Like, this is literally the first time this has ever happened to me. She tried to blame me for switching her wig. Like switching out her wig with one of my wigs. And I'm coming with receipts, like motherfucker. Like, I'm gonna let y'all read these messages so y'all can see this shit. Like, girl, what? Stay tuned for this freaking story time. This crazy ass story time. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all a little of the backstory. So somebody that I know that I do their hair like frequently, they recommended me to her. So I guess they worked together. Well, they was working together, and I guess she seen her hair and she's like, hey, your hair is cute, who do your hair? And you know, she told her who do her hair. And so like the first time she texted me to do her hair, she didn't even come. That was sign one, let's put that out there. So she ended up texting me, and the girl let me know. She was like, I gave your number to somebody. And that's what I love about all of my clients. They always text me and be like, I gave your number to somebody, or I gave your Instagram to somebody. They probably text you about getting their hair done. I like when people do that, so I can because random numbers be calling me and text me. I'm like, I don't answer random numbers. So yeah, so I love when they do that. So the next time she texts me, this is when she actually got her hair done. So the next time she texted me, she was like, asked me to do her hair. Let me put the messages up. This was crazy, y'all. Like, this has never happened to me before. And I was just like, if anybody know me, like, really, bitch, I switched your wig out. Y'all see, she was trying to get her hair done the same day. Y'all can read it. So she texted me, like, from the first time she texted me was from December 5th. That's when she first wanted her hair done. Didn't never come get her hair done. December 26th, she texted me again. And she was like, how much? You know? So, you know, she was like, how much for a lace install? I told her the price. And she was like, when you free? I told her what day I had. She was like, what time? And then I never texted her back. I don't know what the hell was going on, but I just never texted her back. And so she texted me Wednesday morning. Like, so she was like serious about getting her hair done this time. So she texted me Wednesday morning. I told her what time she could come. And, you know, like, got the Addy. This the second sign. She was late. Like, she was like, leaving 40. You're far. LOL. But I'll be there at 1:20. If that's okay. You know what I'm saying? Like, so she texted me at 12:40. That's what she texted me at 12:40. I told her to come at 1. Which really means be there at 1. Like, don't be on your way at 1. You need to be your ass there at 1. But I wasn't doing, like, when it's like a day I'm not doing nothing and clients be late, you know, I don't be tripping. But if I have like somebody else her to do it that day, no, I need you to be on time. So, and I didn't have nobody else her to do this day, so I wasn't tripping. So, and like, this was a first time client, so I was being lenient, you know. I was like, okay, the first time, okay, I can understand, you know, shit happens, whatever. I did her hair and everything, y'all. I'ma put videos up of what her hair looked like when I got done. I'm gonna show y'all. So she texts me back the same fucking day I did her hair, sent me pictures. And I'm gonna put the pictures in, but I'm gonna block her face out, cause you know. But I'm gonna show y'all this shit. Like, literally, like, she was like, she sent me these pictures, y'all. As y'all can see, look at this video compared to this picture. Like, this video, this shit looked like her real fucking hair like melted in. She fucking texted me at fucking 7:46 talk about her lace is already coming up. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna fix my work. I'm like, but in my head, I'm like, when you left here, that shit was like fucking smack to your fucking head. So what did you go home and do to your hair? Like, I made sure that shit was like, I even like yanked on it too. Like okay, yeah, it's good. Like, no, you did something. You know what I'm saying? Like, but okay, I'm a stylist where I fix my work. So I told her, I said, damn, like, you know, that lace glue, like, it works for me, everybody else. But, you know, her, I was like, okay, I was like, okay. You know, I'm like, damn, that shit, boho disappointed me right now, you know what I'm saying? So I told her, I was like, I could come, I even offered to come to her to fix her lace, to fix her hair. And remind y'all, she stayed all the way at fucking 40. So I was like, okay, I'll come to you and fix your hair. Like, no charge, no gas, I'm gonna use my gas, all that. So she was like, okay, love. One time she was cool. Everything was cool and copacetic. Everything was cool and copacetic. So I was like, I got a client to do tomorrow, so I could come after I get done with her. She was like, okay, cool. So y'all, the next day, Thursday, y'all see, December 30th, this motherfucker texted me talking about, and baby, this is not my wig. I don't know if you switched it or what, but when you come to me, when you know, she said when you come, bring it with you, or I could pull up. First off, slow your roll, cause yeah, you can pull up. You can, you know what I'm saying? She was like, or I could pull up, ma'am, cause this is your thin. She was like, this is too thin to be mine. That's what she meant to say. She was like, cause this wig is too thin to be mine. So before I could even respond back to that message, she ended up calling me. She actually FaceTimed me, y'all. Okay, period. FaceTime me so I could see what the fuck you talking about. Cause I know I'm not reading what the fuck I'm reading. And I answer y'all. Like, one thing about me, I'ma stand on all 10 and what's up. Like, I'm gonna talk to you woman to woman. What it is and what it ain't. Yeah. Cause for one, I would never, ever, like, I'm trying to make a career out of this. Why would I jeopardize my career, my money, for anybody to try to put out and bash me, talking about I switched your wig, I stole your wig? I would never even do that. I would never, ever put my career at risk. For one, I don't need your fucking wig. I don't need to switch out nobody wig. I do fucking hair. Bitch, I can get a wig anytime, you know what I'm saying? So, she FaceTimed me and I was like, so what you saying? Like, what you trying to say? I what? So she like, this wig on my head, for one, I curled it. So for one, that makes a wig shorter. And for two, you got a wig from a new place that you was trying that you never got a wig from. So you don't know how that wig was or how it was going to work out, how I was going to react or anything like that. Come on now. And then the place she got her wig from, my sister had got a wig from there. And my sister said the same thing she said about the wig. So I was like, you know, like, bitch, that's your problem. That's that her store problem, not mine. So she was like, she pulled out another wig trying to compare the wig that was on her head to another wig. And she was like, this wig on my head is not thick and long like this wig right here that I got from another place. She was like, I spent $300 on this wig and this wig is thin. And she was like, yeah, I don't know if you switched my wig out. I said, for one, because I let her talk, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not finna argue with nobody. I'm not finna yell, raise my voice. I'm gonna hear what you got to say, and then I'm gonna say what I'm gonna say, and then I'm gonna be done with it. You know what I'm saying? Cause I know, like, this a real one right here. I don't have to still take none of that from nobody. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't have to none of that. So, like, you paid me $100 to do your hair. Why would I even switch your wig? Like, why would I try to get down on you when you paying me money? Like, what the fuck? Who, like, well, people do that, but this one right here, not, and don't, and not about to, not going to, ever, never. So I let her say what she wanted to say. She was like, yeah, this wig is real short and stuff. I said, you know I curled it, right? So you know when you curl hair, it gets shorter, right? It's just like, yeah, but this wig is not long how this wig is. I said, well, that's 2 different wigs, and you bought that wig from 2 different places, baby. Like, every wig is not the same. So she was like, and then I don't know if you cut my wig or whatever. So I'm just listening to everything she said. So when she got done, I told her, I said, for one, I would never even switch nobody wig out. Like, nobody. That's not me. That ain't even the type of time I'm on. I'm not even that type of person to switch somebody wig out. I said, if it's a problem with your wig, then you need to take your wig back up to where you bought it from, and you need to take that up with them, because they have everything to do with that. I didn't cut your wig or anything. I said the only thing I cut on your wig was your lace. That's it. I said I didn't cut anything else, and you know that. I said, and with the curling part, when you curl hair, it gets shorter, so that's why the wig is shorter. I said, if you got a problem with your wig being thin, I can't help you with that, because I didn't make the wig. You need to take that wig back up to the her store you bought it from. And so she was like, so when I said all that, like, she was like, well, I want to take it off and stuff like that. I said, okay, we can take it off. Yeah, and y'all, she was like, yeah, I want to take it off to make sure it's my wig. I said, okay, we can take it off. That's fine. And I was going to take, y'all, I wasn't even going to put that wig back on for her. I wasn't even going to tell her that. I was going to take that wig off and not put it on. Once she seen that was her wig, I was going to walk the fuck out or escort her the fuck out and tell her have a fucking nice day. And now, bitch, you didn't pay me $100 and now you didn't took off a whole install because you think I switched your wig. You know what I'm saying? Like, what? Switch your wig, girl. I don't need to switch your wig. I don't need to switch nobody wigs. I have a whole bunch of hair up in the closet. I don't never need to steal a wig. I got hair for days. Anytime I want to switch my hair out, I can switch my hair out. Get my hair done every week. I don't need to switch no wig. Like, I would rather have my fucking wig. You see what you ended up with. So, she was like, yeah, I just want to take it off. And I said, okay, that's fine. That is fine, baby. We can do that. That's fine. You can see that that's your wig. I said that because that's your wig and I didn't switch your wig out. Like, I wouldn't even do nothing like that. So, boom, hung up. She was like, well, okay, let me know when you... Because this was the next morning and I was already doing my client hair. I was actually doing the person hair that recommended me to her. I was doing her hair. And I told my mom about the situation and she was like, that's crazy. Like, everybody was just like, why would she say you switched her wig out? Like, why would, like, everybody was shocked because they was like, damn, somebody, she's thinking you stole her wig or something. Like, why the fuck was she, out of all people, you? Even though the girl don't know me. I knew something was going to go left because when she first got here, she was talking about the last girl that did her hair. How she didn't like how she did her. Like, she was bashing the last girl that did her hair. And I was like, bro, like, my spirit was talking to me like, this not no good money right here. Like, all money not good money. And that wasn't no good money, but I still made that money. And she didn't get her hair done. She didn't come, because after all that happened, I texted her, because I was still going to go out there and take the wig off for her and everything. But my mom, she was like, nah, you don't need to go out there, because you'll be in her territory. You never know what might happen. If she want that wig, took it off, she think you stole her wig, she need to come over here and find it. So I was like, yeah, you know what? You right. Bitch ain't finna set me up. So I told her, and that was the last message I sent. I told her, I said, hey, I think you need to come over here, and so you could realize, so you could see that I didn't switch her wig out. She read the message, didn't reply, and never came. So, like, it was like, what did you do all that for? And, like, literally, she never hit me up again to do her hair. Even if she would, like, right now today, I would never do her hair again, ever. Because for one, you accuse me of stealing. For two, what the fuck type shit is that? Like, you looked at your hair and everything before you walked out, and you loved it. You, like, loved it. You was, like, you loved it. You even called the girl that told you to come to me, and you told her you loved your hair. And now it's something different. So it was like, you weird. You're a weird ass bitch. So no, I'm not dealing with that. That money is not good money. I'm good on that money. That $100 is gonna come somewhere else and times that. You know what I'm saying? So like, I was just like, bro, switch your wig out. And I told my friends this story. They was like, we was just laughing because it was like, switching wigs. Now we switching wigs. We switch. That's what we doing now. We switching wigs now. Like, that's crazy, y'all. I'll switch a wig out. Like, what the hell? Because not me switching a wig out. And then she takes me on some strong shit. And I'm reading it. I'm like. So I was just like, I ain't fucking with you. I am not fucking with you, y'all. Not fucking with you. But y'all, that story was freaking crazy, y'all. Like, that was my story time of how that was my first, like, bad experience with a client. And I've never, ever had the experience, like, had a bad experience with that client. But that one was the one. I hope y'all enjoyed this story time. That was just a crazy story. I had to tell y'all that. I had to tell y'all about that story. And I haven't did a story time in a minute. If you enjoyed this story, make sure you like and comment. And also make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.